In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide selection edges in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever felt distracted by those bright blue outlines and anchor points that appear around selected objects, this quick setting will give you a cleaner, more focused view of your artwork. Start by opening your document in Illustrator. With your file ready, we'll adjust a single view option that hides those selection edges without changing your artwork at all. Go to the top menu and choose View, then select Hide Edges. The moment you do, those blue outlines, anchor points, and the bounding box that usually appear when you click an object will disappear from view. Your shapes, text, and images remain exactly the same. You're simply turning off the selection visuals so you can see the design without the extra interface elements getting in the way. You can also use the shortcut for this. On Windows, press Ctrl+H. On a Mac, press Command+H. Think of it as a toggle. Press it once to hide the edges, and press it again to bring them back. This is especially useful when you want to switch back and forth quickly while adjusting details. A few things to keep in mind as you work with edges hidden. You can still select, move, and transform objects. You just won't see the blue highlight while doing it. If you find it hard to tell what's selected, tap the shortcut to briefly show edges, confirm your selection, and then hide them again. This setting affects what you see in the current document window while you're working, and it has no impact on how your file exports or prints. Your exported PNGs, PDFs, or printouts will look exactly the same as they would with edges visible. Hiding edges is great when you're evaluating color, spacing, and composition, fine-tuning type, preparing screenshots or presentations, or painting and drawing where outlines can be distracting. If you rely heavily on the bounding box for scaling, you may want to toggle edges back on when transforming objects. Also note that this is different from outline view, which removes fills and strokes entirely. Here, you're only hiding the selection visuals